why you feel empty inside and how to fix it. You have everything you thought you needed: a phone, entertainment, maybe even a job. But deep inside, you feel empty. No excitement, no real happiness, just a quiet feeling that something is missing. And the worst part? You don't even know why. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling numb, disconnected, or just empty, this video is for you. Because this feeling is more common than ever. And no, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means something in your life is out of balance. So let's break it down. Section 1. You're overstimulated. Your brain is constantly busy, scrolling, watching, consuming. You're always entertained, but never fulfilled. You get quick dopamine hits all day, but nothing meaningful. So your brain gets used to high stimulation. And real life feels boring, empty. That's where the problem starts. Section 2. You lack meaning. You wake up, do the same things, and repeat the same routine. No real purpose, no deeper reason. And when your life has no meaning, it starts to feel empty. Because humans don't just need comfort, they need purpose. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you did something that actually made you feel alive? Plus, if this video is making you think, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we talk about real problems like this every week. Section 3. You're disconnected. You're always online, but rarely connected. Real conversations are missing. Real relationships feel weak. And deep down, you feel alone, even when you're surrounded by people. Because connection is not about presence, it's about depth. Section 4. You're avoiding yourself. Here's the hard truth. You stay busy, so you don't have to face yourself. The silence, the thoughts, the questions you've been avoiding. So you distract yourself all day. But when everything gets quiet, that emptiness comes back. Because it was always there. Section 5. How to fix it. Step 1. Reduce noise. Spend some time without your phone. Let your mind breathe. Step 2. Do meaningful work. Not just easy things, but things that challenge you. Step 3. Build real connections. Talk to people. Have real conversations. Step 4. Sit with yourself. No distractions. Just you and your thoughts. It will feel uncomfortable, but that's where clarity begins. Step 5. Find purpose in small things. You don't need a big purpose overnight. Start small. Build it over time. Feeling empty doesn't mean you're broken. It means you've been living on the surface for too long. Go deeper. Slow down. Reconnect with yourself. And that emptiness will start to disappear. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.